What's going on, guys? Dylan DeFazio here, and how would you like to start generating leads for your business by simply sharing a phone number? Now, in this video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is how I've actually been able to generate, what are we looking at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So about 10 leads in the last 24 hours, and I haven't even started any paid traffic or anything like that. All I did was make a couple posts on my Facebook and share my phone number. Okay, so the process is very simple, and the opportunity that I'm going to be talking about here is Press One Cash. Now, if you guys don't know what Press One Cash is, all it is a simple mobile software. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up here. So Press One Cash makes it very, very simple for you to actually promote your business. Now, right out of the gate, you can actually use your phone number to promote this offer, and you can make $200 commissions. Now, if you guys want to go down that road and you guys want to start making those $200 commissions, we actually have a done-for-you system set up. We have emails set up for you. I have a 50-day email follow-up sequence for you guys. So there's tons of value here if you guys actually want to join and start making some commissions. Now, these $200 commissions actually get paid out instantly. Alright, so you can link it to your Stripe, to your PayPal, to your Cash App, to whatever payment processor that you want, and you can actually get paid live the second you have new members coming through. Okay, now the best part about this is what we've noticed is about a 28% conversion rate of members that go through, they click the join now button, they set up their Press One Cash system, they actually go through and become a paid member. And what this means is that around 1 out of every 6 people join Press One Cash and somebody gets paid a $200 commission. Now, to me, that is very powerful. I've been in businesses where people get excited about a 5% conversion rate or a 10% conversion rate. This is converting at about 30% to paid members, which pay out $200 commissions. So imagine, no monthly fees. You can go through, you can purchase this one time, and boom, you have your very own business that you can literally go through and start promoting by simply sharing a phone number. Right? If anybody wants to join the business, all they have to do is call 707-358-3051. They'll call the business, they'll press 1, a link will get sent off to them, and boom, they have a complete process of how to get set up and how to start making money. Now, maybe you have an offline business, maybe you're a restaurant, right? You can say, hey, call this number, right? And press 1 and we'll give you a coupon code. You know what I mean? So you can use this for anything, and the cool thing about this is there's no monthly fees. So once you get access to the software, it's yours for life. You don't have to, you don't have to go through and, pay monthly fees. You don't have to go through and do anything like that, right? The only fee that is here, now I want to be 100% transparent with you guys, the only fee that is here is you have to pay 1 cent per credit. So every time somebody joins, as you guys see here, I have 1,078 credits, right? Every time somebody joins and they press 1, right, they're actually going to be sent a message, and that one message counts as a credit. Now, if you guys see here, we have a bunch of people that have gone through. Now I'm following up with these, and the system is actually following up with these automatically, right? So their admin fee is not paid right now, but I guarantee you with consistent follow-up, several of these members are going to go through and be like Donald, where they're actually a confirmed member. Okay, so the system does everything for you. As you guys see here, people are listening to the message. They're having about a 80% conversion rate on the message alone. Okay, so from people just calling in, right, they're pressing 1. Okay, so this is going to generate you massive lead flow and generate you massive traction in whatever you want to promote. Okay, now you can go through, you can set up multiple of these numbers if you want. That's up to you. Right now, all I'm using it for is to promote a system that my mentor set up. Okay, now this system is promoting Press One Cash. Now, Press One Cash is the software. Okay, so this system, and you can get access to this system 100% free. We're going to give you everything, but you can actually leverage this system to, 10x your income. Okay, my mentor was able to make over, I think, about $6,000 now here in his first week, and is continuing to grow. Okay, so the Press One Cash software works. It's a very, very clean, very simple to use. Platform, right? You're gonna have your number. If you guys want to promote whatever business, like a website, whatever you want, you can plug that in here, and then when somebody wants to buy Press One Cash, all you have to do is link up a payment processor. So I have mine linked up to Stripe, and I have a little button set up here. So when somebody clicks that button, they're gonna go through and they're gonna upgrade. Okay, if you guys want to change out the message, you guys can do that here. But the process is very, very simple. So if you guys want access to this software, if you guys want any more information, check out the description down below. Click the link, or like I said, you can visit or you can call 707-358-3051. All right, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to set up your Press One Cash, you can do that through the link, or in the link in the description, or you can just call that number. All right, so have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.